From actionable ops, here's how to wire Hermes Agent to Google Vertex AI. You get Gemini models with enterprise rate limits and GCP billing. No static API key required. Vertex is different from the Google AI Studio provider. AI Studio uses a static API key. Vertex uses OAuth 2 short-lived tokens and draws on your Google Cloud billing. It is the right choice when Gemini usage should hit your GCP account. The key thing to understand is authentication. Vertex has no static API key. Every request needs an OAuth 2 access token that lasts about 1 hour. Hermes mints and auto-refreshes these tokens for you. You never paste a token by hand. That is why a temporary token in a custom provider API key field does not work. It expires mid-session. Before you start, you need a Google Cloud project with the Vertex AI API enabled and billing active. For credentials, pick one of two paths: a service account JSON key file with the aplatform.user role, or application default credentials via G-Cloud Auth application default login. Now configure Hermes. Option A is the service account JSON, recommended for servers and gateways. Set vertex_credentials_path in your .mb file. Option B is application default credentials, good for local dev. Just run G-Cloud Auth application default login. Then run Hermes model. Choose more providers, then Google Vertex AI. Enter your GCP project ID, or leave blank to use the one in your credentials. Pick a region. The default is global. Then select a Gemini model. Configuration splits by sensitivity. The credential path lives in .env because it is a secret. Project ID and region live in config.yaml because they are routing settings. Environment variables like vertex_region override config.yaml for per-shell tweaks. One important detail: Gemini 3.x preview models are served through the global endpoint. Regional endpoints may return a 404. Leave region set to global unless you have a specific reason to pin a region. If something goes wrong, run Hermes Doctor. It reports whether Vertex credentials can be resolved and whether the provider is configured. For a 404 on Gemini 3.x, set region to global. For a 403, make sure your service account has the aplatform.user role and the API is enabled. Point Hermes at Vertex, let it handle the tokens, and start chatting. For more how-tos like this, that's actionableops.com.